guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is 𝐈𝐆𝐒 and today's video is proudly sponsored by So my package came in this box you're seeing right here. In this box you're seeing right here. Let's get a little unboxing. The unit to be working with today, and they also sent some goodies. So we have a thank you card from 𝐻𝐻 Africa. We also have some goodies here. Have a HD wig cap, an edge brush, a 𝐻𝐻 African tail comb, 2 clips. I don't know how many of these clips I have, but I have a lot from 𝐻𝐻 African. So the unit we're working with today me and Kinky wigs all the time. This is 22 inches highlighted Natalie. Let's take a quick look at this week. First of all, before I say anything, this week is very full, like so full. What? How many density is this? 𝐻𝐻 Africa, how many density? What? Oh my god, this week feels like my hair, like, you know, those natural hair. That's what this is. Kinky. This is Kinky, and oh wow. Besides, this wig came pre-plucked, pre-bleached, HD lace, pre-styled, all from 𝐻𝐻 African. And this is a drawstring unit. This color, it's a bit too daring, but this color is for people that have mind. So I'm just gonna put this out here. You see, 𝐻𝐻 African. Most of the time I get messages like, oh, these brands do not send this exact wigs to people. They just send this nice, very all packaged and all that wigs to influencers like us. That is not for 𝐻𝐻 African. That is not for them. Like, if you have ever received a wig from 𝐻𝐻 African that you saw on my own video, you saw this wig, you loved this wig, you loved how I installed this wig, and you ordered this wig from 𝐻𝐻 African, and it wasn't what I showed you that you got, send me. You should just drop a comment now. Drop it.
I really do not know what happened to my audio, but it was not good at all. So I'm just gonna use the voiceover and explain to you guys what I was saying. So kindly let me know in the comment section if you've gotten any wig from 𝐻𝐻 African that you saw me wear and review, and it's not exactly what you're saying or you saw on the video. Kindly let me know in the comment section, and I'm gonna look into it, because it can never ever be 𝐻𝐻 African. They've been consistently delivering quality wigs. So here I'm using the drawstring behind to secure my wig. Like I said earlier, this wig is completely glueless and the knot is bleached to 50% density, and it's 100% Indian virgin 9x6 glueless wig. Honestly, this wig is so nice. Like, it's so full, very full, and they've practically done everything for me. Pre-cut sleeves, pre-plucked hairline, pre-bleached invisible knots. What more can I ask for?
We need perfection here. Oh, it's actually in the center. It is. It is. It is. Everything. Okay.
Can say this installation didn't need any glue, any gel, any spray. It was completely glueless, and I'm just gonna use my concealer here to define the pattern so it's more visible. Generally, I love this wig because it's so clean. It melts well on my skin, and really, I love the texture of the wig. It's so nice, and that's why I do not play with Wow African. This brand keeps delivering. Like, they give you the best when it comes to wig, quality wigs, easy to install, straightforward, and very beginner friendly, and I'm all in for it.
This wig came like this. I did not bleach. This highlight came like this, guys. I did not do anything. You people saw this thing now. It's not like I opened this wig behind your back. I opened and did this whole installation right in front of you, and you can see the look it's giving me. Whew! Thank you so much, guys. I would recommend this wig for you. For my baddies, this wig is for you. I hope you enjoyed watching today's video.
Do not forget to check the description box for further details on this wig. Bye.